Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. In this video, we will talk about ticker symbol DPW and I'm showing you the chart. So in this particular video, I will talk about the price action, how the stock price is moving, what are the support, what are the resistance, and also how can we get some benefit playing some share or also like call option, and what near support and resistance we are looking at. So stay tuned. Also, if you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Before that, I want to talk a little bit about SPY because last week was so volatile. We had some small red days, then Thursday was brutal, like we lost like 10-15%, then again Friday we went up. But again, like I wanted to show this particular one. This is for SPY on a daily chart. You can see since March, like we are following a bull trend. Sometimes we went up, then we came down. It's a correction. Sometimes we came down too much, then we went back up. But in general, like you see how we are going up, right? So if you want, I want to narrow this particular channel here. Same thing, like you can see that this is a more tighter bull candle, but you can see like we had like few days, but we bounced off. We have like 1 2 3 4, we bounced off. We have 1 2 days, we bounced off. So currently we are here in this particular area, and there are so many YouTubers talking about head and shoulder pattern, resistance and everything, but I think still like do not worry. Like you see, we might come down a little bit or we might go up, but overall like we are going up. That's the thing. And whenever you see a red day, do not panic. Like normally what I do, like each weekend I spend 1 hour and I go through my stock and I see what will be my price point to get in. Then I set some limit orders, and it's better not to chase the share price. Is always wait so that the share price comes to your preferred share price. So what I did last Friday, like I set lots of limit buy orders, and Thursday I found that like I had a lot of cash because I know some kind of correction will come. Whenever you see like this thing is bouncing off, it went to that line, it should come back. It should come back again here, then again it should go up. So I was expecting a market correction, some kind of correction. So I had some cash, and I think my profile, I think I added 20 or 30% more this Thursday because I had so many limit buy orders and I added so many, and I'm so glad. Then Friday, like all of my buying like paid me, because the amount I lost on Thursday I recovered like 70 to 80% on Friday. Sometime when you see a deep buying opportunity, let's say fuel cell, it was like $29, it came to like $17.50 or $18. So each time it came to my support level, let's say it came to 21, I bought it. Then I found, oh, it came to 20.5, I bought it again, then 19, 18. So I kept deep buying, and then I was averaging down my share cost. But I'm so glad then yesterday it went up to 21 at 21.5, but I think it will go back to 25, 29 again. So red days are not bad. These are your discounted shopping opportunity. So anyway, this video is about DPW, so let's go back to DPW. So I'm looking at Market Watch. Just a quick go through about DPW. So all global holding engages in the design, development, manufacture, and sale of customized and flexible power system solution, okay, for medical, military, telecom, and industrial market. Also, yeah, they develop, manufacture some military and defense product. This is important. Also, you see they are involved in digital currency, blockchain mining. You see Bitcoin. Okay, so I will not go through the company fundamentals because I believe like you can do the research by yourself. Rather, I want to talk about share price, option, those kind of things. Few recent news. They had a at the market offering. It was on February 17th. Then another news that they had their earning, and they said strongest balance sheet in company history with 45 million in cash. This is big. This is big. Then another news came on February 1st about Bitcoin mining, which is a good thing. We know Bitcoin is just going higher and higher. So whatever is connected with Bitcoin, it should go up. Most of the Bitcoin related stocks we have seen, they jumped a lot, but DPW is still, I do not see a huge jump. So I'm expecting some kind of jump in next week. So this is why I'm making this video. Also, like they have something called Cool Sys Power Electronics. This is for electric vehicle charging unit, and they got some purchase order for 5,000. And also there is a website for coolsys.com. You can see the EV charging chargers. So they are in Bitcoin, they are in EV space as well. And also you see like their level 2 electric vehicle chargers have begun on Amazon, so you can buy their level 2 vehicle chargers from Amazon. So you see EV, you see Bitcoin, and we will also talk about price action, so that we all know what we are going to do in next few weeks. And the final news on January 20th, a school TM hybrid fast electric vehicle charging system for commercial applications. So you can go through the news. This is not my intention for this particular video. So let's look at the chart pattern at first. So if I zoom out, you can see they were even like up above $11-15, but in recent months they had a spike. They were around $2. They had 2 days, and within 2 days they went from $2 to $11. They came down, and you see the shape is kind of funny, like it came here, then a jump, again came down, and again went up, came down, forming a U shape. So each time it is forming a scoop shape and it's going higher and higher. And the good thing is each time this is the bottom point for this one, and the next one, this one, right, and the next one here. So each time they are trying to go up, it went up, comes down, then it bounced back, same thing. So I think this circle is again like completed, and I think we are doing the next cycle, and I think again we will come back here and we will do one more push. So also I want to draw a particular line here, because I think this is very important, right? For all of this, you see the bottom point, it bounced up from the bottom point, and for this one, this particular line 6.22 or 6.3, I don't want to be so precise, let's say 6.3. so you see the first candle here, the lower body is here, the big candle, again the lower body of the candle is here. And for the last 2 days, the Thursday was so bad, but it's still like that stock did not come down, it bounced off from that particular 6.3 line. Again Friday 6.3, so seems like 6.3 is a very good support. It was a resistance at one point, then after that it became a support. So with a Bitcoin run or any kind of run, I think it will not come below 6.3. I think it will go up from this particular point. If you do not have any position for this particular stock, which is currently sitting around 6.75, then you can set some limit buy order, which will come to 6.3, or you can buy some shares or options, and if it comes back you can always average down. Also, I think on Wednesday the stock went up to $8, it came back, but in near time what I see, it at least it will go to $9 or maybe $10, right? Yeah, $9 to $11. I see this is going definitely $9 to $10, $11. And also if I zoom out, now let's see the bigger picture here. We see some other lines here around 11.5, and the max was like how much, $13. So I see an upside for this particular stock. Like the support is around 6.3, then 4.5. I think it will not come to 4.5, but 6.5. Then on the upside we have 9.5, 11.5, and even $14-15. And if we go even higher, you see a big gap up, like starting from 15 to like $23. If we can go above $15 or $16, then there's a big gap, so we can go up to $20-25. So that's a bigger picture. I don't want to go that far, but at least in near term, from $6, let's target 100%. So from $6, let's go to $12 or $13. So that's the plan with this particular stock. Buy some shares, buy some call options, it's up to you. If you are interested in buying some call option, which I did, then let's look at the option chain. This is for March 19 expiry, and the strike price for 6, the premium is $235, not that expensive. If you don't want to spend that much, 7.5 is strike, 1.8 is the premium. So basically you will be, your break even is 9.3, and I think $9 to $10 is coming soon. You can play with March expiry if you want. Definitely you can go with April, June, but for me I'm playing with March expiry with $6 strike, so my break even is 8.35. And just looking at the chart, I think 8.35 is not impossible, because we touched $8 just last Wednesday and Friday, and we were bad, but we never came down. This is Friday, so I think this stock will pass over $8. So this is my plan for this particular stock. And I'm sorry, like last week I did not make lots of videos because I had some other issues, so I was caught up and did not have enough time for making videos. But I was active in Twitter, and also I was replying to your comments in YouTube channel. So but I'm planning to make like more videos during this weekend, so stay tuned. And if you find this information useful, do not forget to hit the like button, do not forget to subscribe. I also have a Facebook and a Twitter page. You can follow me, even though if you don't see any YouTube videos from me, maybe you will get some real-time notification on Twitter channel. And also Stock with, I have another channel. Anyway, thank you my friends for watching this particular video, and have a nice day. Take care. Peace.